Hi friends, so attached to this lesson is the test for the end of chapter 7 in math. You can print it if you can and have a printer. Would you print it and then do it with me? If you do not have a printer, that's okay. You can get a piece of scratch paper and number it just like the test is, and then write your answers with the numbers, okay? I'm gonna read it for you. If you wanna read it yourself, you can, or you can follow along with me. Remember, I can't give you the answers because this is a test, but I will read you all the words. So let me show you what it should look like. All right, here it is. So your name goes at the top. Awesome. So we're going to start here. Use the tally chart to answer the questions. Start by writing the totals here. These are people's favorite places. They got to choose between the circus, the zoo, and the playground. Count the tally marks and write the totals here. Good. Number 1, how many people chose the circus? How many people chose the circus? Write the number of people that chose the circus on this blank, or put a number 1 on your paper and write the answer. How many people chose the circus? Good. Number 2, how many more people chose the zoo than the playground? We're comparing the numbers here. How many more people chose the zoo than the playground? Find the difference. How many more? There's more people that chose the zoo. My question is, how many more? Good. Number 3, how many people took the survey? Count them up. How many people in all took the survey? Write the answer right there. This is number 3. How many people took the survey? How many people took the survey? Number 4, use the tally chart to make a bar graph. Color in the bar graph to show how many voted for each place. So your job is to use the information in this tally chart to make this bar graph. If you couldn't print it, you need to do your best to draw this bar graph with the 3 places on the side and the boxes up to number 9 here. Good, color in that bar graph. Make sure it matches exactly the tally chart at the top. Good job. All right, number 5. Which place got the most votes? Was it circus, zoo, or playground? Write the name of the place that got the most votes. Which place got the most votes? Good. All right, now we're moving on to the next page is number 6. Complete the graph. Here we go. Min likes bikes and soccer. Ben likes bikes. Jade likes kites. Ella likes bikes and soccer. So you need to fill in this chart based on what they like. So first, start with bike and count the number of votes for bike and then fill it in. Good. Now count the votes for kite. How many votes did kite get? Fill in the bar graph for the number of votes that kite got. And then after that, fill in the number of votes that soccer got. How many votes did soccer get? Fill in the bar graph. Good. Number 7 is tricky. How many students voted? I would count the names, friends, because some people voted twice. A lot of times in graphs you can't do that. In this one you can. So because some people voted twice, it can be confusing. My advice is to count the number of names. How many names are in this? That tells me the number of students. Write that number here. Good. Number 8 says, which got the most votes? Which activity got the most votes? Take a look at your graph and write the name of the activity here. Is it bike, kite, or soccer? Write the name of the activity here. Awesome. Number 9 says, which activity got the fewest votes? Which got the fewest votes? Was it bike, kite, or soccer? Write the name of the activity here. Which one got the fewest votes? Good. And number 10, how many fewer votes did kite get than bike? How many fewer votes? They didn't have the same amount. Kite is less. My question to you is, how many less? How many fewer votes did kite get than bike? Do your subtraction to find the difference, or just look at the graph and write the number of less votes here. How many fewer votes did kite get than bike? Awesome job, my friends. Great job. Okay, remember, if you want to hear me read it again, rewind this video back to the beginning and go over it again. You can hear me read it as many times as you like. Then once you're finished, take a picture of your test, both front page and back page, and then either attach it to this lesson or send it to me via email. Thanks, friends. I'll see you later.